Right, hi everyone and welcome. In this video on the P6 again, I'm going to be painting up the rocker covers. Obviously the idea is that give them a clean up, paint them and then highlight the Rover. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to start my favourite wire brush and grind a bit, and then I'll stick some etch primer on it and then go from there, I think. Right, so you get the idea there. I'll finish doing that, I'll do the other one and then I'll be back. Right, so they're all keyed up now. I'm just going to give them a little degrease with the brake cleaner. I've already done it once, so I'm just giving it another little go. I'll let that dry off and I'll mask up the breather pipes and try and find something just to put in there, because I don't really want the paint going in the threads. And once we've done that, I'm going to put some etch primer on them. There we go, so just a light dusting of that. We'll let that dry and then we'll sand these high spots on there, and then we'll give it a coat of black and then do the high spots again and then give it another coat of black. Hopefully that makes sense. Right, so I've just done the first one because I've never done this before, so I thought I'd see it come out. Obviously it's still in the primer at the moment, but this is the kind of thing we're trying to get. It's not going to be perfect though, because some of this has got some quite deep scratches in it, but do the primer, then sand it off, then we'll do some black and sand it off again, and then we'll give it another coat of black and then sand it off again, and then that should be it. I'm using like 240 grit at the moment, but when I come to doing it final I'll go up a bit higher, but I'm not trying to get it immaculate anyway. I just want it to look tidy. It actually looks tidy even just like that, so we're already ahead. Right, so yeah, I've got me DA. I haven't got a soft pad or anything on it. That's all I've been doing, is just here. you get the idea of that. So I'm not going to film me doing it completely. So I'm going to carry on, get the rest of that off, and then I'll give it a splash of black. Right, so I'm giving them a bit of a degrease and stuff again. So now, give it some satin black. I was going to do it grey like they were originally, but nah, I decided I'm going to do it black. I even thought about doing it the same colour as the car at one point, but that'd probably be a bit too much, I think. Right. Alright, I'm not going to sand it again yet. I'm going to give it a decent coat, I think, and then do it, I think. I don't know. I don't know what the right way to do it is, really. Hey ho, it'll be fine. See, they look quite good now. I'm almost too scared to highlight the aluminium now. Oh god, what do I do now? Right, well, I need to let that dry now, so might be a couple of minutes for you, but it'll be a while for me. So it's been a week now, so these are dry, so hopefully we can do this without ruining it. Right, so I'm not going to film all this, but you get the idea of what I'm doing now anyway, don't you? Excellent, so far so good. Right, that's it, that's them sorted. To be honest, I'm over the moon with how they've come out, so yeah, excellent job. Right, so thanks for watching this quick one, and I'll see you soon.